Hola a todo el mundo, soy Fernando.
Yeah.
Y nos acabamos de encontrar.
That's cool. I met Fernando here on the Trans-European Trail. And he's going south and I'm going north.
You know, in opposite directions. But
I soon made all of it.
He gave me many secrets of Denmark.
Yeah, that's
right
cool.
on the beach.
I hope I will see the picture of that.
Yeah, I will.
Yeah.
I will send,
Perfect.
that picture.
Yeah,
Thank you very much.
Have a good time.
Bye. Safe.
Happy trailing. Right, that was awesome. The guy Fernandez, he has ridden from Barcelona and all through Europe on the Trans-European Trail, up through the Baltics as well and Finland, up on the top of Norway and back through Norway and now through Sweden and Norway and Sweden as well. That's a cool guy. He will do all of the Trans-European Trail. He has been out since 3rd June. I will go on for some weeks more. That's an adventure. How cool isn't that? I have to follow him on Facebook. He posts on Trans-European Trail Facebook site. Be sure to check that one out. Now we're heading forward. Time to ride. Oh, Jesus. Time for coffee break again. Fast roads. Very fast roads. Plan is to reach the Norwegian border today and then set up a camp. It's about 80 kilometers left. Would be nice to set a camp a little bit earlier today than yesterday. Right. Cool. They have bus traffic these roads as well. Cool. Very beautiful place for a rest. landscape is changing a bit. Pretty nice camp spot. This will be perfect. Right. This will be the place for tonight. Perfect, perfect. There are thousands of mosquitoes here, so I have to make a fire here to get rid of them. Lot of dry wood and other stuff here, so I think we will make it. Perfect. This is definitely the medicine for this annoying mosquitoes. Funny is the mosquitoes just disappeared immediately. I need to find some more dry wood. Oh, what's that? Hiding in the wood. Oh, let's not barbecue that guy. Yeah. Didn't I have told you this was a perfect little camp? So some food and some beer maybe. Very nice lake. Let's have a look. Down here as well. Oh, there. More dry wood. Wow. Wow. what a view. Perfect. Cheers, my ad running friends. Polish beer. Królewski. Oh, it tastes pretty good. A day like this. Right, it's time for sleep. Tired after this great ride today. Had a meal and been sitting here with a fire. Absolutely stunning to just sit here and suck it in. Now I'm going to sleep, and then tomorrow we're heading south. Morning. It's 7 o'clock. I think I have to go out and have a leak, but then I will get down in the bed for 1 hour more. I've slept a lot better with a cushion that I bought yesterday. I'm just laying here and looking at this fantastic view. It looks like there is moist dancing on the lake's surface. Nature is beautiful. Cooking up water for coffee, and have prepared for the oatmeal. 2.5 deciliter of water, 1 deciliter of oatmeal. time for a water and coffee break again. Just stopped by at Halden, Norwegian city, close to the Swedish border, and the fortress Fredriksten. Very cool place to stop at. I think it's an event here today because it's full of campers, camping cars, and people everywhere. I have to look up what's up. It's a very large fortress, and it has an history in the Norwegian and Swedish wars. Yeah, still warm. It's very hot today. I've ridden very nice roads back from the Norwegian border, where I crossed from Sweden to Norway at the Trans-European Trail. I have ridden a very nice road, the wilderness road of Road 21, and as well a 3-figure road as well. That was very nice. Curves all the time, curves and beautiful landscape. A lot of places to find nice camp spots and so on. Have a sit over here and just rest for a while, drink some water because it's very hot today. All right, I think this is all for this time. Happy adviding and Trans-European trail riding, Fernando and all others out there.